So I wanted to do a quick video, just an unboxing, and then kind of show you this laser. I had a lot of questions when I bought it, and I still am working it out, figuring out how to use it most efficiently and what the settings are and things. So if anybody out there is thinking of getting one, maybe this will help answer a few of those questions that I had and still have. So let's go through a couple things. First, I'm going to show you the unboxing. So this is the crate. It's pretty big. The whole package weighed about 250 pounds. So I'm just removing the bolts here on the top. It looks like it's packaged pretty well. I've got most of these out. And then once I get the rest, I'll show you what's inside. Alright, so all the bolts are off the top. Let's take a look. Looks like a lot of foam. There's the laser. So it does look like it's packaged pretty well. Hopefully. So I guess to get to this thing, I'm gonna have to take the whole crate apart to open it up and get a view of it. It actually is a little bigger than I expected. I didn't really know it was this large, but okay, now that the unboxing is done, I'm going to show you a couple of key things here. Obviously this is it. It's a pretty big unit. I'll get some measurements on it, but it's large. I had originally planned to put it up there where the CNC is, but obviously it's much too big for that. So opening it up, it has some nice shock hinges on it and everything. There is an LED light in it, and then you see the base here, the cutting base. It does adjust, and it's quite a lot of depth capability there. This unit did come with the 4th rotary axis, so you can engrave and cut on round stuff. The nice thing is it has its own control panel, so you can download cut programs into the machine and then just run it right from here. You don't always have to go to the computer. So you can move the laser, you can move the head around, you can set your power settings and everything from here. It's obviously easier to do it on the computer, but it is an option. So here's the power strip, power panel. One of the first things I did was I tripped on the USB cord and broke this, so I had to replace it. Luckily it was like a $2 part from Amazon. And then I just had to rerun the wire here, the USB, the black cable. So you want to be careful on that. Originally I had planned to have it up on the counter there so that I could have the water, the exhaust, everything set up and not have to move it. To my surprise, when I realized how big it was, I had to put it on this mobile base, so it is a little bit tricky as far as that goes. Eventually, someday, if I get into a bigger shop, it'll have its own place where it doesn't move, and that would be ideal. Looking at the back here, this is the place where all your cords plug in. It comes with the air pump and the water pump. I went ahead and mounted the air pump down there on the frame just so it's out of the way. The water pump obviously has to be in water. It recirculates. So I went ahead and put it in the bucket since it is mobile now. The exhaust fan tube here, I just run out the door when I'm using the unit. And then under here is the laser itself. And it came installed. I went ahead and checked everything out when I turned on the water to make sure there was no leaks, and actually it was all pretty good. So I didn't have to do much there. And then that compartment actually allows access into the bottom, but there's really nothing to see there. So that is a quick overview of it. On the next video, I'll go ahead and do some, show you how the software works, because that was a big deal getting the software set up with this one because most of it is in Chinese. So If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them below, and I will see you next time.